a minute. Now, IO7, it comes like, naturally after all this work on, research, and then from research to building an integrated model for social business incubators, and then going into the trainings that we can provide, that we can use for entrepreneurs. This human-centered training design is actually for organizations like ours who aim to train, who want to train their staff, volunteers, whomever is interested in, what are the social business incubation models that we have in Cyprus, Romania, and Italy, and what is mainly the integrated model that we built from this research that we conducted. For people that are, organizations that are interested in developing maybe an incubator, so they can learn how to start an incubator for social businesses. And finally, the last, let's say, aim of the last direction, the third direction of the training toolkit for organization is, helping organizations and staff from the organization to get familiar with human-centered design approach, the one that is also included in the intellectual output presented by Gabriela, and I will not stop there with the human-centered design approach, but I will tell you that this training toolkit includes in total 14 workshop sessions that you can just take them and use them with your colleagues, staff, volunteers, and learn together, as I said, about the incubation models that we develop, about how you can build a social business incubator, and finally learn the steps of ideation, of inspiration, ideation, and implementation with concrete tools of empathizing, defining, ideating, prototyping, and testing. Okay, because these are the, let's say, the smaller steps that you can see in the big 3 phases of innovation. And you can see that, okay, we have workshop, besides the workshop sessions that we included in the training toolkit on these topics that I mentioned. Each chapter has a short part of theory, we said, in which we explain the concepts, the terms that we use in the workshop sessions, and also provide extra resources that you can use to read more about the topics that are included there. So even if, for instance, for the training toolkit, we selected from the design thinking methods just 6 of them, basically you also have resources for many more methods like the empathy map and other such methods that can be used in design thinking, and you can access those resources and use them in your workshops. So that's IO7, that's the training, the human-centered training design for employees, for trainers.